Students, this is ISI MSQE 2019 solution. In this video, we'll be starting from 19. So S1, S2, 3, 4, 8, 9. First, an integer S1 is drawn uniformly at random from S1. Then another small S1 on all the factors are removed from S1. The new set is S2. Then again S2 is removed at random, then S2 and the factors are removed from S2. In that way S3 is formed. So what is the probability that S1 is 2, S2 is 3 and S3 is 5? So probability of S1 equal to 2 intersection S2 equal to 3 intersection S3 equal to 5. This we need to find out. So these are like, so probability of S1 equal to 2 into probability of S2 equal to 3 given S1 equal to 2, because it has come from here, into probability of S3 equal to 5. Now this we don't need to do here. Yeah, so now S3 equal to 5, that is given S1 equal to 2 and S2 equal to 3. So the now answer to the given question should be like this is 1 by 8, 1 by 7 and 1 by 6. So now if the question remove multiples instead of the factors, the answer would have been 1 by 8, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. So now if the removed multiples instead of factors, so this is 1 by 8, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, that is 1 by 64. That is option number B is the correct answer. So 20, again a probability based question. A and B are independently tossing a coin. Their coins have a probability of 0.25 coming head. After each of them tossed the coin twice, we see that two heads, total of 2 heads. The probability of Mr. A had exactly 1 head. So let X be the event that A plus B equal to 2. So A is the number of heads, so Mr. A got. So according to Bayes' theorem, probability of A equal to 1 given X is probability of X given A equal to 1 into probability of A equal to 1. The other part, probability of X given A equal to 0 given probability of A equal to 0 plus probability of X given A equal to 1, A equal to 1 and X given A equal to 2 and probability of A equal to 2. So we just put all these values. So then finally you get 2 by 3 and that's the answer. That is option number A.